If you want to know where to find the best solo ads for your affiliate marketing business, then you need to watch this video until the end, as I'm going to show you the best place to find them. Getting real visitors to visit your website or landing page is the main goal, as you want to capture their email address so you can market to them in the future. One of the benefits of using solo ads to build your email list is that you see results right away. Usually, within a few minutes, or at the most, a few hours from the time you make your purchase, you'll start seeing a noticeable spike in your traffic. A lot of people often shy away from using paid traffic methods such as solo ads when they first get into affiliate marketing. After all, you can get the same results using free methods, although it will take a lot longer, so why pay for something that you can get for free? Well, besides being way faster, paid traffic methods such as solo ads are almost always a profitable option. As long as what you earn exceeds what you spend on paid traffic, then it's worth the investment. With solo ads, your affiliate link goes directly to people who are looking for the kinds of products you are promoting. That's because you can buy solo ads from people who have highly specialized email lists. These lists can be very long, and usually contain people who already have shown an interest in a similar offer, or have already purchased products within your niche. That means they are already in the market for what you are selling. People are offering solo ads for every niche you can imagine, especially for the evergreen niches. They develop their lists the same way everybody else does. They do it with squeeze pages, social media marketing, and other free methods. Then they offer their lists to people just like you, for just pennies per name, or even less in some cases. Solo ads are a great way to connect with new customers, without having to go through the trouble of capturing that traffic yourself. You can simply pay to benefit from somebody else's hard work, and it's effective in connecting you with motivated buyers. Here are 4 advantages of using solo ads. Number 1. Solo ads providers have a huge list of subscribers, so you can reach a huge targeted audience. Number 2. You get quality traffic. Whether your campaign costs less or more than Google or Facebook ads, you will always get quality traffic from solo ads within a targeted niche. Number 3. You don't need to write multiple blog posts, create lots of contents or articles. You can directly convey your message or offer to your audience. Number 4. Many top internet marketers have said, if you have thousands of targeted subscribers in your specific niche on your email list, that can keep your business going for 1 to 2 years. You can get cheap solo ads if you know the right solo ad provider, especially when compared to other paid traffic methods, like Facebook ads or YouTube ads. You can get hundreds of people to your list. Remember, these are highly targeted customers, who already want to buy what you are offering to them. Solo ads are the easiest way to build your list. They should be the starting point for your list building efforts. It's so important to choose a good reliable vendor within your niche, so you can start your advertising campaign and build a solid email list. To find a really good solo ad provider, click the link in the description below.